Alright, I got all the tile backsplash put up. Double-sided sticky tape comes in a roll like that. You just peel off each side, and the tile's stuck on there really well. We decided to go up there because the wall is really ugly, and got it all through the back here. I did like maybe 2 full pieces, but had to cut it out to get the light switch over that, and then I'll have to put the light switch over that, but I've got to grout first. Measured it out through here, and then through here I did a pattern of, I just cut the sheets long ways and cut them. I've got a bunch of pieces like that, and I'd take the little ones and put 2, and then a long one, and go all the way up and keep a pattern. I might have missed one there, but now I got a grout. I'm gonna watch some videos just to see what a good way to grout is. I'm kind of wondering if I should do a sealant on it, just for, just do it. It's worth it, I think. And I painted the window again, and painted the apron down there at the bottom. Got pieces cut in there to fill those spaces. Underneath, room for grout, and then silicone up the sides of the windows, probably on the windows itself. I got a tool because I'm not good at caulking, but I got a pretty cool tool that will make it look nice when you do it. So I'm sure it's going to be messy because there'll be a lot of extra, but this is all it. I'll put another video up after I get done grouting. I'm a little intimidated by that, so I gotta watch some videos and do some research, but I think it looks, it's amazing what it used to look like. Even without the grout in it, it looks amazing right now. So I'll send another video out when I get the grouting done. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. But like and subscribe, comment, and share.